Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tarot Predictions. So today I have brought a video for you from which you can find out what each zodiac signs wants but they will never ask for in a relationship. So I will be telling you about all the 12 zodiac signs, but in this video I'll be telling about the fourth zodiac sign, that is Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer and Leo. And in my next video I'll be covering the rest of the zodiac signs, so stay tuned for my next video. Now starting from Aries. Aries, they want someone to stick with them even when they are harsh or blunt. Yes, Leos are definitely a passionate and intense side to be around, but they thoroughly enjoy having life and they want others to come along for the ride with them. They like to be leaders and the ones calling shots, even though they kind whenever someone challenges them and keeps them on their toes. Though Aries can be a flirt and easily bored, but once they set their eyes on someone, yes, they are interested in, they will pull out all the stops to get them, and they make for very exciting, loyal and intense partners. Yet even when all is going well in the relationship, deep down the Aries secretly wants to know that they won't push their partner away when they are blunt or even harsh. Though they don't mean to be, they know that they must. They just want to call things like they see them, and though they won't change for anyone out of stubbornness, they also don't want to lose their partner, especially if they have grown very attached. They won't ask this is of their partner though, because this should cause them to reassess their own behavior as well as make themselves of aware of just how much they have come to depend on their partner. They just continue to be themselves and hope for the best. Now coming to about the Taurus. Yeah, they want someone to fully appreciate and love them the same level they do for them for others. So Taurus people are known to dive deep into the beginning of relationships. They want to learn everything about you and are great at getting you to open up, even though they can be pretty reserved themselves initially. Though Taurus usually have a high set of standards for their partners, the thing they truly want is for someone to be just as invested and appreciative of them as they are to their partners. They won't ever ask for it, though. If the relationship is overall good one and the partner partner provides them with a comfortable life, they won't mind carrying more of the weight in their emotional department. Now, coming to Gemini. Gemini, yeah, they want someone to love them even when they know all their terrible or dark habits. Geminis are well known to be all over the place. They have a hard time expressing their thoughts and feelings or making decisions in their lives because they are afraid of missing out on something. When it comes to their relationships, they tend to be free flowing and casual because they want to switch things up until they fall for someone that is willing to keep things exciting with them. Yet, something that Geminis crave that they don't express often is the need to be totally understood and loved by their partner, even when they show the sides of themselves that are dark or undesirable. Though they won't admit it, the thing they want most is just to know they can completely expose themselves and their partner will love them regardless. Cancerians. If you are a Cancer, you want someone to care for them in exactly the same way as they do. Yes, Cancerians are known to timely love, truly love, being in love, and with such a big heart and sensitive spirit, it isn't truly surprising. They usually fall in love very hard and very quickly and already can see a future with someone once they feel a connection with them. They don't take their relationship lightly, and when they find someone they are compatible with, they are absolutely over the moon. yet something they honestly want is to know their partner feels the same way about them. They won't express this out loud because they don't want to show off as too clingy or overwhelming to their partner. And it's also impossible to know exactly how someone feels. At the end of the day, they will still be happy as long as their partner is showing their affections and communicating with them. But deep down, they really just want a confirmation that both of them just as invested in each other rather than it being one sided. Leos, someone to truly validate that they are as incredible as they believe they are. This is what they want from their partners. So, Leos are confident and excitable. They know how to work a room and how to charm just about anyone they come across. They have big hearts and tend to try and paint their lives as incredibly interesting to anyone willing to listen. Though Leos don't need anyone, they do manage to find people that they honestly want to, and when that happens, they will go above and beyond to capture their attention and their heart. When they enter into a relationship, they don't take it lightly. A Leo choose someone who is a big deal, as they are always slightly worried about settling for the wrong person. Leos make s- is some of their relationship as very fun loving, supportive, and full of adoration, and have little trouble communicating their wants and need to their partners. That's a plus point. Leos have a strong desire to impress their partners and remind them how worthy they are, and even though they won't ask for it, they want their partners to affirm their worth uh, on a day to day basis. So, guys, this was the gist of what are the needs of the relationship from all these zodiac signs. So in my next video I'll be covering the rest of the zodiac signs, so stay tuned. I hope you must have liked this video, and please do comment in the comment section, and for any query you can drop your queries, and you can contact me for the personal session of tarot reading. My number is shown in the comment box. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.